Hi, my name is Nathan Merrill. I'm an attorney with EasyLegacyPlan.com, and we've created these educational videos to help you understand a little bit more about the estate planning process. We often get asked, who should I choose as a fiduciary for various documents we put into place as part of your Easy Legacy plan. There are generally 3 or 4 different positions that you will have to appoint in putting together your complete estate plan. One is an agent for general power of attorney, one is an agent for a medical power of attorney, and one is a fiduciary that handles the administration of your estate, often referred to as a personal representative, and that person can also transition to the position of a trustee should your estate planning require administration that goes beyond just the transfer of assets to your heirs. First and foremost, let me discuss how you should think about the person who's going to be appointed as your agent under your general power of attorney. This is a person that should have sophistication and knowledge when it comes to financial affairs. They'll be responsible for not only continuing whatever investment of assets you have, but making sure bills are paid and making sure you stay current in your personal estate as to all financial affairs. It is not a very emotionally burdensome role, but it is a very technically burdensome role where someone has to be able to balance a checkbook and know how to gather in an understanding of what your personal financial situation is and attend to that. Compare that with the role of a fiduciary or an agent under your medical power of attorney. This is a person who should have an emotional connection to you and an understanding of your attitude towards medical treatment. So this person is charged with making decisions regarding medical decisions that have to occur while you are incapacitated or unable to appreciate medical decisions. So this person is usually much closer emotionally to you and understands how you want to be treated and how you want your care to proceed. The last fiduciary, the personal representative and/or trustee of your estate plan, would be the person who's responsible for collecting assets and managing those long-term for the benefit of your heirs and your posterity. This is a much more burdensome role. It can last as short as 6 months. It can last as long as however long your trust or estate plan is in place. And it involves both aspects of financial management, making sure they either engage appropriate investment professionals, financial advice, accounting, and also have an attitude that is similar to yours in terms of how you would want the funds to be spent and what you would want the funds to be spent on. They're essentially an extension of you when you're not there to be able to take care of your family. Naturally, most people will rely on their spouses for the first agent or fiduciary in all these positions, but looking beyond the spouse, if you and your spouse are gone, we have to start looking to other individuals to fill these roles. And understanding what each of them does helps you decide who the best people are, because they aren't always the same person for each one. And a quick note to the last type of fiduciary, which is a very important fiduciary, is that of the guardian appointment. If you have minor children or children who are incapacitated or disabled, you'll need to appoint someone to make sure that they have someone to take care of them on a personal level, to make sure they have a home to grow up in. So a guardianship appointment is also a very important appointment that takes place in the planning process. And again, not someone that's necessarily the same person as any of those other appointments which you may have made. Thank you for your time, and hope we can help you.